Imagine ordering food in English and saying, "I'd like a bread and 2 waters." People would understand you, but it wouldn't sound natural. To sound more like a native speaker, you need to learn some food quantifiers. Let's look at some common examples. A pinch of salt, a small amount of salt between your 2 fingers. A piece of bread. If we are referring to the whole bread, we say a loaf of bread. In plural, we say 2 loaves of bread. A slice of cheese, when we cut foods into thin, flat pieces. A stick of butter. In American English, recipes often use a stick of butter. A drizzle of olive oil. A cube of butter. A clove of garlic. A head of lettuce. A stalk of celery. A carton of milk. A jar of jam. A pack of cookies. Learning these expressions will make your English sound more natural, more accurate, and much closer to the way native speakers actually talk. Which of these expressions was new to you? Write in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.